Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can buy coins in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. After you open your eFootball app, you want to click on where it says shop. And once you're inside shop, you can see the option called eFootball coins. Click on eFootball coins. Now from inside over here, you can choose varieties of coin. You can buy the $1 one or the $4 or the 7.99. You want to choose how much money you want to spend or how much coin. Let's say I want to buy the $7.99 one. I can click on it and it's going to take me to the pack. Now once I'm inside my pack, I need to enter my details like my card detail because I need to pay for it. Now over here, I need to pay using Apple Pay because I'm using iPhone, but you can use whichever paying method you want. And after you pay for the coin, basically you're going to receive the coin. So that is how you guys can buy coins in eFootball. It's that simple. Now if it is Android, then you need to use Google Pay, but for iOS, it's going to be App Store Pay or Apple Pay. I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future video related with more eFootball videos just like this. Until then, have a nice day.